Tekin Radar. The AI security war has erupted. Forge an open alliance, deploying MAI to bypass frontier monopolies and slice through the old guard. Security is an illusion. Apple faces a $1.8 million lawsuit over fraudulent while completely halting its smart glasses rollout due to severe surveillance. Containment has failed. A newly developed AI successfully crafted a Linux root exploit. Sensitive data is leaking. Digital finance is bleeding out. Flash crashed 20% in a single minute as institutional capital violently pivots from Bitcoin straight into AI infrastructure. The death of digital ownership is here. A catastrophic Xbox licensing failure locked millions out of their own purchased games, proving physical media is the only true asset. The domino effect is accelerating. Do not navigate the network blind. Subscribe to youtube.TekinGame for unboxed cybernetic intelligence. System offline.